Leading the way is one of our passions at Fraport. Leading the global aviation business is our challenge. Around the world, we move your growth. Our airports serve more than 117 million passengers every year. The group revenue exceeds 2.3 billion euros and more than 30,000 employees worldwide keep you and your business moving. In Peru, the world-famous Inca sites are visited by thousands of tourists every year. Most of these travelers fly into Fraport's Jorge Chávez International Airport in the capital city of Lima. At Lima Airport, investments in airport security, modernization and expansion now total more than 200 million US dollars. Thanks to the Peru Plaza shopping center, average passenger spending has more than doubled. The incomparable VIP lounge not only welcomes business travelers but can be used by any traveler. Safety is our priority in airport operations. New equipment and training by our German experts has made Lima one of the safest airports in the region. Boasting a strategic geographic location, Lima is ideally positioned to serve as South America's aviation hub. Bulgaria's Black Sea coast has become one of the top tourist destinations in Europe. Fraport has been managing the regional airports of Varna and Burgas since 2006. Our ambitious modernization and expansion plans will allow for steady passenger growth in the years to come. Passenger capacity has already increased by 30% because of redevelopment of existing facilities and the installation of new check-in counters and baggage claim belts. Fraport experts quickly turned an old hangar into a passenger hall. This cost-effective interim solution provides better passenger service until airport expansion is finalized. Approximately 60 million euros will be invested in constructing new passenger terminals during the 35-year concession period for both airports. But investing in our employees is also of great importance. Fraport training programs ensure top performance for all of our staff. Aircraft turnaround times have been significantly reduced since Fraport's takeover of ground handling operations. With Bulgaria firmly set on the path of economic growth, Fraport is helping to meet the challenges associated with this. Egypt combines a unique cultural heritage with a dynamic economy at the heart of the Middle East North African region. With more than 12 million passengers in 2007 and over 100 destinations worldwide, Cairo International Airport is one of the region's most important aviation hubs. Under a multi-year management contract, Fraport has provided 5 executive board positions at Cairo Airport since 2005. The goal of our hub experts is to upgrade Cairo Airport to international standards. The new Terminal 3 will double the airport capacity to more than 20 million passengers per year. The Fraport management team draws from a wealth of know-how in airport modernization and sophisticated terminal management. Today, safety and security standards at Cairo International Airport have increased significantly.
05 left, ready for departure. departure.
Affirmative.
Runway heading 3,500 feet, clear for takeoff. Echo Alpha.
Antalya is Turkey's biggest tourist airport, welcoming 17.7 million passengers in 2007. With double-digit passenger growth over recent years, Antalya is one of Fraport's most profitable investments. Our many achievements include speeding up passenger flow, which is extremely important during the high season. As a special service, vacationers can be met by their tour operators directly at the airport. In 2007, a Fraport-led consortium won the concession for operating all 3 passenger terminals at Antalya, underscoring how cooperation with local partners is the key to success for Fraport's external business. The booming tourism industry promises great opportunities for Antalya Airport. In Germany, Fraport has written another success story at Frankfurt Hahn. This former military base has been successfully converted into a hub for low-cost airlines. With more than 50 flights to 40 destinations each day, Frankfurt Hahn is Ryanair's 3rd biggest base in Europe. Significant competitive advantages include the recent extension of the runway to 3,800 meters and Hahn's 24-hour operating permit. Frankfurt Hahn has also well positioned itself in the cargo sector. With a throughput of approximately 100,000 metric tons in 2007, Hahn has become Germany's 4th busiest cargo airport. Fraport's ongoing enhancements to the airport's infrastructure will promote further growth in the future. Fraport, highly regarded as an airport all-rounder and active at more than 60 locations worldwide, is expanding further into new growth markets. For example, in China, we are participating in Xi'an Airport. Given China's impressive growth rates, this is one of the most attractive markets worldwide. In the heart of Europe, Fraport operates Frankfurt Airport, one of the most important hubs in the global aviation system. From here, we will continue to export our success to the rest of the world.